Hello again, Wired fam. Hope everybody's doing well. Welcome to another episode of Wired for Crappie Home Edition. So we got the basement dug, completely dug, ready to rock. Footers are pinned. You can see those pink stakes. Got footers going next week. Here's a footer right there, footer there, and again, footers here. We've also got, we'll go up top here in a minute. We've also got all that pinned, ready to rock and roll. So got everything to subgrade. I'm gonna start digging footers and pour footers, and blocks soon to come. So we have got temp pole right there. So we got electricity. We do have, I'm pretty sure we've got the water tap, but I don't think they've ran it yet. No. So we will have water. Right there on that white on that white flag, we will have water. That's been marked off, but not done yet. It's moving along. Let's see what else we got going up here. We've got the again, subgrade, house seat, and footers up top. So there's footer there. And there, as you can see, that's a driveway coming in. That's upper driveway coming in. We'll have a lower driveway going into the basement, but this is upper. This is Mama's driveway. So Mama's driveway will come in right there into the upper garage for Mama, so she doesn't get her head wet when she's bringing in the groceries, right? Mama ain't happy. Footers, it's moving along. Got the porta-john. Gotta have a porta-john. Gotta have a porta-john. But it's coming along, guys. I appreciate y'all for joining me on the journey, coming along for the ride. It's gonna be a lot of fun. My kids are having a blast. We came over, actually, we did lose one tree. Came over and my boys came over with me and cut this tree up the other day, and I actually was gonna video that for you guys. Put the video camera up, had the GoPro going, and then got done cutting it all up, piling it all up, went back to the GoPro and it said, card formatted incorrectly, please format card. I lost every bit of it. So there's the tree that we lost and cut up. Sorry you didn't get to see it. Get to see me run a chainsaw, that's comical. But anyway, we got that done. So it's coming along. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to getting footers done, getting block in the ground, start building up so you can see a little bit more than just dirt. Right now it's just dirt, and but it's coming along. It's coming quick. So update numero dos, number 2. Progress. A lot of good progress. So there it is, guys. Ready for footers and concrete. Appreciate you guys watching this episode. Catch us again next week. We'll have another update for you. See you guys. God bless.